Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Talk about an interesting animal or bird you like. You should say, what is it? Where is it found? What qualities does it have? And explain why do you find it interesting.
One of the most fascinating birds found in India is the Indian peafowl, also known as the peacock. It is a large and colorful bird that belongs to the pheasant family. The Indian peafowl is found all over India, but it is most commonly found in rural and forested areas. It can also be seen in many wildlife sanctuaries and national parks in the country. One of the most striking qualities of the Indian peafowl is its beautiful plumage. The male bird, known as the peacock, has long and colorful feathers that are adorned with eye-shaped markings. During mating season, the male displays its feathers in an impressive courtship ritual to attract a mate. The female bird, known as the peahen, is less colorful but has a graceful and elegant appearance. Apart from its physical beauty, the Indian peacock also has a unique call that is quite distinct and can be heard from a long distance. Its feathers are also used in various cultural and religious practices in India. I find the Indian peafowl interesting because of its stunning appearance and unique behaviors. Watching a male peacock display its feathers during the breeding season is truly a sight to behold. Moreover, it is a symbol of beauty, grace, and elegance in Indian culture and has been featured in various forms of art and literature over the centuries. All in all, the Indian peafowl is a fascinating bird that is truly a wonder of nature. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.